Welcome back to the flipped class. Okay, today we're going to talk about converting metric units. The last time you watched a video, it was about converting customary units of measurement. Now we're going to talk about metric units of measurement. And I thought this was a really interesting map. If you look at the map, every country that is colored green, the dark green you see on the map, is where they use the metric system. The places that are gray, which are very few, and also do include us, the United States, do not use the metric system. So you can see that the metric system is widely used, just not used here. So that's why we learn both, okay? But first, a little brain teaser for you, okay? This one's called Matchmaker. All right, you walk into a room with a match. In the room, there's a candle, a stove, and a heater. You're freezing cold. What do you light first? Okay? Bring an answer next time I see you. The great thing about the metric system, and the reason why it actually is very easy to use, is that it is based around multiplication and division by 10. Okay? When you look at the unit, which is either meter, gram, or liter, that's just the unit you're going to use. So we're going to call that U. And the way I look at it is this. If you look at the first letter of each step here on our little metric system staircase, we have King Henry drinks ugly, dark chocolate milk. And that's how I'm going to remember that. Again, King Henry drinks ugly, dark chocolate milk. And we'll be making our own conversion charts that you can use, and it's actually going to be a pretty cool thing. I'll show you how to use it in class. But I want to show you just the basics of it right now. When you are converting up, you divide by 10. Each step you divide by 10. Going down, you multiply by 10. What makes that so easy is this. Let's say I had 67.5 kilometers, and I want to know how many meters that is. Okay, I'm starting on the top step because of kilo. I'm going from kilometers to meters. Meter is the unit step, so it's under that unit because it could be kilometers, it could be kilograms, okay, but in this case it's going from kilometers to meters. So I'm going to count how many steps down I'm going to take. 1, 2, 3. I went 3 steps to the right, okay, 3 steps to the right. Well, here's what I'm going to do now. 1, 2, 3. I'm moving my decimal point 3 steps to the right. So I end up with 67,500 meters when I make that conversion. What if we wanted to go the other way? Let's say I said I have 750 milliliters, and I want to know what that would be in liters. Well, I'm starting out with milliliters, so I'm actually starting on the bottom step, and liter would be under the unit, so the U. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 steps once again, but in this case, I'm going to the left. I'm going to the left. So I know that 750 would have a decimal point at the end, and I'm going to move that decimal point 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So in actuality, 750 milliliters would give me 0.75 liters. When you look at it in a chart like this, it's very easy. The difficult part, and it's not that difficult, but a little bit of a difficult part is remembering. King Henry drinks ugly, dark chocolate milk. And I'm going to bring a chart that we're all going to work on, and we're going to be able to memorize that and be able to use it. Okay? So look forward to see you next time. Catch you then.